I miss my team, and I don't even want to think about my productivity. Those are actually some thoughts of your employees. This might just be the longest they have gone without team building, and this will definitely have impacted their mental well-being. Just look at all these texts that I receive from my friends. They need you to bring the team together. They need an excuse to hang out, interact, and laugh together, and they have to do it from the safety of their home. And this is why we have came up with Virtual Hunt. Virtual Hunt is the only online scavenger hunt in the market today. Our team are in the events industry to build relationships, and we believe that this doesn't have to stop because you're physically apart. Therefore, we have put together all our know-hows in building relationships into designing a game that will do just that. There will be no downloads and hardware required. All you have to do is provide us with your phone number, nothing else. You can then catch up with your team from the comfort of your home. Once the game has started, you'll be called into Virtual World, our virtual universe where the game is set. Simply respond to this cry for help by tapping on the link, and you'll be brought into the world. Virtual World is collapsing due to the virus that is wiping out all its data, and you are the hunters that will save it. Players will have to journey to different locations using the hint provided and fill in the missing data to stabilize the world. Hurry! You have to do this within a set time before the world explodes! Once you have logged into the game, you'll be given location hints. And similar to any other scavenger hunt, you will have to solve the hint before going to the location. This will be done all on our virtual map, where you can travel to any part of the world. The correct spots will be marked with a pin, and the only way to look for it is if you look for it at a high magnification. There will be no teleporting allowed in this world. There's also no search function, so you won't have to know your geography well in order to find the location. The beauty of this game is that markers can be placed all around the world. This means that your mission can include locations like your global headquarters or places that you will never be able to visit during a physical hunt. The moment you find the location marker, you'll be given tasks to complete. There are two types of tasks you have to clear, the group task and the individual task. In the group task, you'll be given a mission that requires all of your team's cooperation to complete. The activity can range from trying to form a heart on a video conference to singing a song in relay over voice call. This activity is designed to get everyone talking and interacting, and it warms them up as they work together to complete the task. This is a surefire way to bring contact into a virtual environment. More importantly, all these videos can be downloaded for you to look back once the hunt has ended. After completing the group task, each hunter will be assigned with their individual task. Similarly, they will have to look for locations based on the hints that are provided, and then complete the task by answering the question. They have to do this alone, and all hunters have to complete their individual tasks in order for the team to proceed. This part of the gameplay reinforces the thought that you are only as strong as your weakest link. Players are encouraged to help each other out via our gameplay chat. This is where they can interact and ask for help within, so everyone can contribute to clear their task collectively. Now, if you have completed your individual task, another great way to help the team is by completing all the mini-games. Mini-games are basically glitches in the virtual world that requires patching. The more mini-games you answer, the more coins you will earn for your team. All you have to do is delegate responsibilities among your teammates to decide who will be the one that's answering more questions and who will be the one that is helping out the lost souls in your team. This competitive element will make the hunters strategize for the collective goal of winning the virtual hunt. So, how do you win? Bonus coins will be given along the way to teams that submitted the most creative group answers or to teams that completed the most mini-games. At any point, you can track the total amount of coins you have and see how you fare compared to the other teams in our leaderboard. Earn the most coins to emerge as the best hunters. Now, that's not it. To make the game more interesting and more engaging for your staff, you have the option to create your very own level in Virtual World. If you have a very engaging topic that you need to put across during this hunt for your employees, we can customize the mission and tasks to direct their thinking towards the objective. We will find new locations, research on new questions, and build a new mission just for you. All you have to do is point us in the direction that you want, and we will make it happen. Basically, learn while having fun. Talk about killing two birds with one stone. There are many additional benefits to doing a virtual hunt. Unlike physical games, there will be no limits to the group size for the game. You don't have to worry about keeping a large group engaged. In a virtual setting, all of them is going to be feeling like the main character of the game. You no longer have to worry about venue constraints as well. Because the game is being held online, it can be done anywhere and anytime. You no longer have to skirt around pick our rates for the venue or worry about the venue's availability. More importantly, all the money you save can go towards a more attractive prize. Yes, a nice venue will be very fun to be in, Or won't you work harder for $1,000 that's on the line with your team? With Venue out of the way, you can put your budget to better use. This will definitely spur everyone's competitiveness to give you a fun and engaging team building. Now, I know what's going through your mind. Yes, hunters can join this game from anywhere as long as they have a device with an internet connection. And there's no need for any downloads. Yes, they play as a team. Because we put our 12 years of expertise doing team building to design the missions in a way that encourages interaction throughout. Lastly, no, we don't have to stay virtual. We all want this pandemic to be over so that we can meet in person, and if the situation improves, we can run this game semi-physical as well. Virtual Hunt can be run in 3 different modes, and they are Virtual Mode, In-Person Mode, and Hybrid Mode. Building relationships is ever more important during this period, and it shouldn't stop just because we can't meet up physically. Let us help you continue to build meaningful relationships in your company via a trip to virtual world. To sign up, simply go to our website and submit your inquiry. Our sales rep will be in touch with you immediately to give you directions to the virtual world. What are you waiting for? Head over there now!